Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Microartistry. Today we are going to carve 7 letters, letter L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, SU. Come on, without any delay, let's get into the video. While peeling off keep remember that you give equal pressure with blade and oppose the pressure with finger below. If the video seems fast, please make it slow in playback setting. Make a mark on the surface such that it makes a square. Now the letter L is done. Let's jump into next letter, M. Now the letter M is done. Let's jump into next letter, N. While making flat surface, if the lead breaks too many times, don't worry, just change the pencil, because the pencil may had damage from inside. It happens if the pencil was dropped to ground many times. No need to worry, keep doing it for few more times. Actually we learn from our mistakes. Here, we can get an experience of holding the pencil in proper way, which makes you comfortable. Now the letter N is done. Let's jump into next letter, O. Observe the techniques I follow in this video. Also subscribe my channel for more techniques and tips for doing amazing microarts. Just keep doing what I show in this video. Now the letter O is done. Let's jump into next letter, P. Make a mark on the surface such that it makes a square. Carve out the excess part of the lead, keep it carving with gentle pressure. And keep remember of the supporting finger below the lead. It's very important to manage your pressure on the lead. Now the letter P is done. Let's jump into next letter, Q. Make a mark on the surface such that it makes a square. Carve out the excess part of the lead, keep it carving with gentle pressure. And keep. Remember of the supporting finger below the lead, it's very important to manage your pressure on the lead. Now the letter Q is done, let's jump into next. Letter R. Now here come the finishing. For more techniques and tips, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get a notifications as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, keep supporting my channel. We'll come back soon with an amazing video. Until then, stay tuned.